Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is an old stove that I have there, guys. So I need to replace it because none of the burner works, and the stove is old. I can't even see the name. I can't even find the company. There's a company in Canada that may have the tools, the parts for it, but they don't have a number, and that company doesn't exist anymore. So I decided to change the stove. First, I take it up the spot it was. Now I shut the valve off, guys. This is the position the valve is off. I have a short, you can check out the short to show you how to shut up the valve. And downstairs also, there's a valve downstairs. You gotta shut it off. Let me go show you the valve. This is the meter, guys, the gas meter. And that's the main valve coming from outside. There's the main valve. Right now it's shut off. Okay, it's shut off. This is very tough to use. You gotta use the plier. Okay, so when I'm gonna turn it back on, I'll show you how I did it, guys. So usually this part used to be on top. So now I put it in the middle, it's shut off. Okay, folks. Now it's a matter of remove the appliance upstairs, put it outside, and put the new one in, guys. Guys, you see this thing is very messy. This thing is very messy, so I have to clean all the stuff out, guys. The next step, guys, I'm gonna unscrew this part. Hopefully it doesn't give me a hard time there. I gotta unscrew it, okay, guys? Then I take the stove out, clean up, and bring the new one in. Okay, folks, that's a different day. I was having a hard time to remove the stove out of here, but finally I did. It was a lot of headache, okay? But one thing you have to remember, guys, this cable, this tube, it was in the house. If you want to change it, it's okay, you can change a new one. Okay, this part is an extension or connector. I don't know how they call it, guys. It was inside the other machine. I'm going to show you where it was. Okay, now I just found out that I needed it for the new stove. Otherwise I have to buy a new one. So everything is fine. I just have to be cleaned up, guys. Let me show you where this thing was. Okay, don't forget to remove this from the old stove. Now this is the old stove, guys. This is where the thing was. It was right here. It was right there inside of here. See, it was right there inside of it. That's where it was. So I didn't know that. I left it there. Okay, that's what it was. I unscrewed the first one. I left this thing there. Then I remember I have to, otherwise I have to buy a new one. So I went and I went inside. It's a good thing they wasn't pick it up. This is the stove. This is the side of the stove. The silver hasn't been working for a year, guys. So I had to remove it this time. That's my new stove, guys. This is a new stove. This is very nice. It's an LG, no relation. This is where this thing gonna be going, guys. This thing gonna be going right here. Okay, it's gonna be going right there. Oh, you gotta buy an extension. So turn it right. Okay, guys, this thing. That's what it is. You tidy it up, and the tube gonna be attached in here. You gotta tie this one first, and bring the other one and tie it up. That's what's gonna happen, guys. Okay, folks. Now, if you've seen this thing in the past, you know it was pretty dirty. I clean everything as best I can. I'm about to put the stove back in. This guy's already set. I don't have to mess with this. Now the bottom here, this is the part this thing gonna go. Okay, so this is the part, guys, this thing gonna go. I needed a can of this, guys, here. This is the name of it. This is about $8 at Home Depot. So, or you can get it at any store. The one I was looking for is $4, but this thing, they don't have it. And I'm gonna put this thing on top of this thread here. And then put it right here and tidy it up. That's the only thing I have to do, and everything will be set to go. Now let me go ahead and do that.
Wat bieden op zal je?
Voor geen beelden dan. Tout bagage ça tonton. Vraiment? This is a mess. Okay, wait, fais ça. Alright, this is a mess, guys. Let me go ahead and complete this. Okay, folks, this is the parts. I gotta put it on the bottom here and tidy it up. Gonna tie this thing up. My hand is a mess. I can't work with my hand dirty. I gotta clean it up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tie this thing up and bring this thing on the bottom, and that does the job. All right, folks, this is tight enough. I did this thing. I tied it up enough. I don't think I can move it any further. Okay, see, guys, I tied it up enough. See, I don't want to put too much pressure. It's supposed to be a gauge, a pound. I don't know the pound, so now I'm gonna plug this, guys, inside here. Okay, I'm gonna plug it inside here and tie it up also. So let me go ahead and do that, guys, and that'll be the end of the story. Okay, folks, I put this thing in here. Everything look good, and I'm gonna tie this thing up. I don't know which pound, I'm gonna guess it, so there's no leak. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the gas and see if this thing light up before I push it inside here. But once it's light up, I can turn the gas again and do the thing I need to do, guys. That's it. Okay, guys, I took the vice grip and the wrench. I'm tightening it up, so make sure it doesn't move. This thing does. This is how I do it. I use the vice grip to do that, guys. And I think I'm done here. This is strong enough. Okay, I can't go any further than that. So I wanted to show you guys. You may need a vice grip and a wrench to do that. You see, the wrench is 12 inches. Okay, so that does the job for me. Okay, folks, most likely this is done. The light turned on. I had a problem. This thing was open, so I shut everything off. Everything's off. Now I don't see the knob, but I gotta go to the store and see what happened to the knob. I don't see the knob. Everything's plugged in, guys. See, everything's plugged in. The light turned on. This is the button there. This is Wi-Fi also, guys. I guess the stove is made. We just put the stove in, guys. That's the end of this video. If you guys like what you see, subscribe. Even if you don't like what you see, subscribe, guys. Help the channel tremendously. Okay, so I think I may in the future, because I gotta redo the kitchen. When I'm redoing the kitchen, I'm changing the pipe. If you see a pipe down there, the big pipe for the gas, that pipe, I'm gonna reduce the pipe, make it smaller. I'm gonna redo the kitchen anyway. The stove is way too small for the bed, for the spot. Until then, guys, subscribe, comment. It wasn't that difficult to put together, guys. Until then, see you. Okay, folks, I just opened the gas. This is the mirror. I think I just opened the gas. I'm gonna go upstairs, open the stove. It's night time, and I gotta cook, guys. Let me turn the oven, turn the stove. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm opening up the gas because this is the stove. I'm about to turn it on. So the knob is not here, but I know how to do that. So don't worry about the knob. I'm gonna press this thing and see fire. So let me turn the gas. Hopefully I got gas. This is how you open this, guys. What? Yes. Oh boy. Hold on, guys. This is it. I think this thing is hard. I need to put pressure on it. Voila. Put it in the middle. Yes. Right there. In the middle. So the gas is turned on. I don't smell anything funny. I'm gonna put the oven back, guys, and then turn the thing on. Okay, guys, this thing's Jesus Christ. Okay, we got flame. We got fire, guys. This is working. And that will be the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I changed the stove.